Are you a new content creator that just started out? You need a good lighting solution, but normal lighting just doesn't cut it. I got the solution for you. The Photography LED Light the A112 is a versatile lighting solution designed specifically for photographers and videographers. It offers a compact and portable design, making it suitable for both studio and on-location shoots. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. The A112 features a sturdy aluminium alloy construction, ensuring durability while remaining lightweight. The light panel is slim and sleek, making it easy to handle and transport. It comes with a convenient stand that can be adjusted to various heights, providing flexibility in positioning. This LED light offers a wide range of options to customize your lighting setup. It comes with a wireless remote, allowing you to adjust the brightness, color temperature, and even switch between different lighting modes from a distance. The LED interface on the back of the panel is user-friendly, with buttons for easy navigation. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect, the lighting performance. The A112 delivers consistent illumination, providing even light spread. It features adjustable color temperature, ranging from warm to cool tones, giving you the flexibility to create the desired ambience. With a wide dimming range, you can easily adjust the brightness to suit your needs, whether it is for photography, videography, or even live streaming. Please comment down below what type of LED light you use and how that compares to the A112. When it comes to the cons of this product, it does not give quite as much light as I expected it to. I am currently using this light as my key light, but I also have another light as the fill light in the room and letting it bounce against the walls. But having this light on its own would not be enough. So, if you are looking into this light, you might want to get two of them, as we have done. It is very cheap, so do not expect it to be as durable as other solutions out there, but it gives you an even and soft spread of light that will level up your video quality. Considering the versatility this LED light offers, as well as the performance of light, this LED light is a good option for starting creators out there. If you like this video or you are interested in other solutions for setting up your own home studio, if you are a beginner content creator, you might also be interested in this good quality mic or the other videos in setting up your own home studio.